Hi, this is Dominic for Paphos Life, and I'm at Coral Bay Beach, believe it or not. You might be looking at this and thinking, but that's a bit small. That's because I'm at what looks like a relatively new addition to Coral Bay's arsenal of sandy areas. But I'm here because they're building a little walkway and cycle path and a sort of outdoor gyms and stuff here, which I thought would be interesting to show you. And this is where it ends, and I'm going to walk up here to the main coast road so you know where it is. And the rocks. This is very much a work in progress, I should add. It's a very nice little future beach bar there. All the pretty spring flowers are out. Now I imagine this water park is part of the hotel up there. I'm trying to read what the name of it is, so I can give it a plug. But if I can't, I'll stick a link somewhere in the comments, or description rather. Oh, while I'm here, if you do like our films, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share far and wide, and share on Facebook and follow us on Facebook and all the other glorious stuff that you can do to help promote us. It is appreciated, so thank you. Now, hopefully that music's not going to interfere with any copyright. Be a bugger if it is. I'm not sure what, I think this is going to be a beach volleyball court in there. But there's definitely a fence around the water slides. So I don't think you can just pull up here and take a dip without getting chased off by the park keeper. No such thing exists here, to be honest. There's a basketball court. Sounds like a radio station, to be honest. There's a cycle lane here. I guess it'll keep the cyclists off the pavement. Now this court up here, I wasn't sure what that is for. It's not tennis, it's not volleyball, it's definitely not badminton. So if you know what that's for, do let me know. And beyond that, there is this gym, an outdoor gym coming. And I have to say, it's quite a comprehensive one. These are very popular in Cyprus. Obviously not in use yet, but I'd imagine by the summertime they'll all be in action. You can get up to the hotel that way as well. Now, they've only just planted all their shrubs and greenery, so it doesn't look that special at the moment, but I'm sure in a year or two's time, when it's had time to take root, Ascos Beach Hotel. I think it's something after Ascos and before beach though. I can't really see it. I'm looking up there. I imagine these are going to be toilets at some point, but they're not open yet, which was a bit of a shame, to be honest. And it looks like there's some presumably holiday apartments on the right as well, which are quite nice. And ahead of us we have the main coast road between Paphos and Coral Bay. I'm trying to work out which river it is that we're walking past. I think it's the one that goes to the left of Paphos, the next valley along from that. I seem to recall that further up here was a rather interesting bridge, but I'm not going to go off piste and have a look at that in this film. I say rather interesting, it's not like of historical importance as far as I'm concerned, or aware rather, but it looks weird and it looks interesting. Rather nice villas to my left. So this is all part of Coral Bay's, I suppose you call it upgrading or modernising really. I mean, I'll be doing another report on the strip work itself, but that's still on course to finish at the end of April. And with the new 5-star hotel coming in May, and all this work, Coral Bay is going to be quite impressive. I mean, it's impressive already with the beaches. But nice to see. Oh, you can actually see from here the weird bridge I was talking about. I don't know if it'll come. Can you see it through there? It's just lots of different pipes, basically, it seems like. I find it weird anyway. Weird and wonderful. Getting quite warm now. There was a frost on the car this morning up in Palermi, believe it or not. But it must be about 16 to 18 degrees now. There's a picnic site up here, I should point out. Sorry, I got distracted by my weird bridge. But this is very good. It's they got about 4 water taps as well, and lots of picnic benches. It's even got a wheelchair ramp, or possibly that's a barbecue ramp. Who knows? Cypriots do like their picnics. They have got a couple of bins here, but I have to say, once the barbecue season is in full swing, they're not going to be enough unless they're emptied hourly. There's a little amphitheatre, or outdoor theatre. I can't call it an amphitheatre because it's not a full 360-degree circle. And if I call it an amphitheatre, someone tells me off. I don't know who it'll be, but it always will be someone. So, I beat you to it. Now, This is a particularly sandy area. Is it going to be a petang court or a boule court or whatever else they might want to call it? Or just a place for the cats? Well, we've come to the end of the cycleway now. And there's this nice little archway here, which will no doubt be festooned with signs of an informative nature, telling you all about the area. Some nice fountains at the end. And if you still weren't sure where we are, there's Ocean Basket, and the main Coral Bay roundabout is just up there. See if we can end with a shot of that, just for your delight. There we go, there's the main roundabout. Right, thanks for watching, cheers.